This is your Speedlab pit pass for Wednesday, August 8th, F.O.E qualifying night number 2, where we saw Trey Starks last night get his first career feature win here at the Knoxville Raceway.
Trey Starks hits the low side entering turn 1, keeps it glued to the bottom out of turn 2. J-Mac dealing with traffic, back straight away for the final time. Trey Starks looking for the first career Knoxville Raceway victory on the biggest stage there is.
Off of turn 4, he'll get his first career feature win. It's Trey Starks.
So we're down here with the driver of the Routine Racing, number 26, Corey Eliason. Corey, you're coming off a win in the 360 class here a couple weeks ago and a third at the Front Road Challenge, so you got to have a little bit of confidence coming into your prelim night.
Yeah, I mean, that definitely helps with the confidence, but our Cappy was not the best, so hopefully we're kind of deep in qualifying, but it seems like there's a lot of good cars back here also, but just hopefully it goes in your favor. That's all you need, you know. You need a caution or something to go your way in heat races and kind of get you up there and get in the transfer and continue on through the feature.
And as we saw last night, we had some big name guys go out late last night and still able to produce a pretty good qualifying lap. You think you have what it takes to be able to do that?
I don't know yet. We're still going to work on that. So far this year, I've not succeeded in qualifying at all, so I guess there's always a time to start.
Yeah, hey, why not now at the Nationals? Still looking for that first 410 win here. You got the 360 out of the way, and hopefully tonight you get that first 410 win.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, if Trey can do it, anyone can do it.
I think, did you see that left front wheel cover? That thing was that had to be the speed secret.
That absolutely was. I'm going to say Trey wore that, and that's all he wore last night in Dingus.
All right, so we're down here with the driver of the number 71 BC Indy Race Parts Car, Sunshine, Tyler Courtney. Sunshine, it's good to see you back here at Knoxville.
Yeah, excited to be back, this time with the wing on. Haven't been here since 2016, I think, with the wing on. So Sunday went all right. I kind of made a couple bad laps there in the B, but you know, the car is really good, and Bernie's got this thing tuned up. So excited for prelim 9. Hopefully time in well here and get through my heat race. And you know, I think the heat races were shown to be probably the hardest part of the night last night. So just try and get through it and put a good night together.
Yeah, it's probably good coming back here and getting some laps. Bernie's, you know, you're in some good hands there with Bernie. And when it comes down to heat race and feature time, what do you think what it's going to take?
Just not making mistakes. I think this place is very mistake-driven. Like it's pretty easy to mess up here, and if you do mess up, and the guys up behind you probably aren't. So and you can lose a couple tenths to a second here in a lap, and that's a lot. And yeah, it's just yeah, you got to be perfect around this place, and every little mistake counts, and it goes a long way.
And what do you think the biggest transition for you is going from wing to non-wing? Like, what is your biggest challenge?
I think the speed was my biggest challenge the other night, just getting back used to how fast a wing car is compared to a non-wing car, especially at a place like this. Just kind of getting my marks set out differently than where I do in the non-wing car and all that kind of stuff. So just kind of the speed, and you know, you got to be smooth in these things. It's not that you don't got to be smooth in a non-wing car, but these things are crucial on not scrubbing speed or opening the wing board and losing grip and stuff like that. So it's just tough, and you know, looking forward to the challenge.